Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money from free ebooks. I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn and implement everything that I'm going to teach you in this video. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, you need to download some free ebooks, okay? And for that you can go to freeplrdownloads.com, okay? You can simply search on Google free PLR downloads and you will be able to see it in the top of the search result. You can just click on it and you'll visit to this free PLR download site and just type make money from home. Okay, so what I'm going to show you in this specific video is I'm going to show you how you can sell these free ebooks and then earn. Okay, and additionally what I'll also show you is how you can plant some affiliate links inside these free ebooks, okay, so that you can even earn more after even selling that ebook. So I'm going to guide you each and everything in a step-by-step process, okay? So keep watching this video till the end, and if you think this video added any value to your life, then please do like this video. So after you visit to this free PLR downloads, just search for make money from home, okay? You can do it with any of the ebook, but I'm going to choose this kind of ebook that is related to make money online because it entices people a lot than other topic, okay? So make money from home, okay, and select any ebook. So for in our case, just let's select this one, okay? Let me open this ebook. Now you can see all the details is at here, okay? The title of the book is Let's Make Money Online, and this is the description. Now you can scroll below and you'll see a download button. You can simply click on this download and you will be able to get this ebook for absolutely free, okay? So once you get this ebook, then you can find out this kind of document like ebook covers, okay, and here is the PDF. And if you have any doubt that you can sell this ebook or not, then you can see there's a PLR license and it says okay, let's open it, and it is saying yes, you can edit this book, you can put your name as an author, okay, you can, and at the last you can see you can do whatever you want with this product, okay? You can just see here if you can be sold in any format, yes, okay? So you don't need to worry if you want resell this book or not, okay? You can absolutely do that. So now once you download the ebook, then first thing what you need to do is you can search on Google PDF to Word converter, okay? Firstly what you need to do is you need to convert this ebook, okay, that is in PDF format, okay? So this is in PDF format so that we can put our affiliate links to even earn more after selling this book, okay? And I'm also going to show you how you can sell this book. So once you just search for PDF to Word converter, then just click on it, okay, and then just click on choose file. So here is the details, and just select this one, okay, and click on open. Once it is uploaded, then you can just select this convert to Word and click on choose option, okay, and your book this PDF will be converted to a Word document. Now you can simply click on download and that ebook will be downloaded. So once you download that ebook in Word file, then it will look like this, okay? It will look something like this. Now what you need to do is you need to plant some affiliate link in between this any place in this book, okay, so that you can earn even more. So what you need to do now is you need to visit to a site that is called clickbank.com. If you don't have an account on ClickBank, you can simply create an account, and in ClickBank what you can do is you can just visit after login, okay, after sign up and login, just click on this marketplace, okay? Once you click on this marketplace, then just scroll below and click on this e-business and e-marketing so that you can get affiliate links to promote inside that book. Now you can see once you select that, okay, e-business and e-marketing, then you can just select this and click on this gravity, okay, and you'll see the product that is selling highly on inside this ClickBank, okay, and you can see get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, okay? This topic is itself interesting. Now what you can do is you can just click on this promote, okay, and just click on this create hop link, and you will get your specific affiliate link at here, okay? You can just copy it and promote inside that ebook, and whenever anyone purchase this product that they are selling inside this this link, then you will get paid, okay? So for now let's close it, okay? So in this way you can get affiliate link. Now what you can do is you let's copy it, so let's copy this, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Okay, so let's paste it firstly inside a notepad so that any link is not attached at there. Just paste it in this way and then copy this text. Okay, and go to this Word file, go here, paste it and just keep this kind of arrow at here. Okay, and just select this and again go to ClickBank and click on this promote and get your affiliate link. Okay, let's copy it, let's go here, and now what you can do is right click on here and click on this hyperlink, and then you can put your link at here, in affiliate link at here. Just click on OK. Okay, and just select all and make it bold and let's copy it. Okay, and scroll below and see if there's another place that you can plant this link. So let's scroll below. So wherever there is place you can put it. Okay, let's put at here. Okay, it's possible. Okay, it's possible. Just paste it, and you can paste up to like 2-3. You can paste how many times you want, but just make sure that it doesn't look any kind of spammy link. Okay, just put 2 to 3 times inside this, and once you do everything, then just save this file. Okay, save this file, and then what you can do is again you can go to Google, and what you can search is Word to PDF. Okay, and then select this one, convert Word to PDF. Okay, and once you click on that, and you'll see this kind of interface. Just click on select Word files so that we can convert our Word file to PDF, and click on open. So and click on convert to PDF. So let's wait for some time. So now the PDF is ready for download. Okay, so it is okay, so this started to download. Let's open it, and it is downloaded. Paste it in desktop. Okay, so this is the PDF that we edited and kept our affiliate link at here. Now it's time for us to sell this. Okay, so let's first check if our link is planted at. Okay, so here is the link. So now whenever someone will click on this link, then they will visit to our affiliate link. So similarly we have planted in another place also. So let's check out. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so in this way we have added our affiliate link inside this ebook. Now it's time for us to sell this ebook. So now how you can sell this ebook is firstly you need to visit to a site that is called gumroad.com. Okay, gumroad.com. Okay, so now once you visit to this site, then you can create a free account. Okay, you don't need to pay anything. Whenever you make sale on ebook, then they will automatically charge you a pre-decided amount from the amount you have earned. Okay, inside this platform. Now if you have any doubt on how from where traffic comes to this platform, then let me show you. They receive like 19.60 millions. Okay, 19 million traffic monthly. Okay, on a monthly basis. So their monthly visit is 19 million, as you can see at here. Okay, and most of the traffic comes from United States and also from other countries like UK, India, Canada, Germany. Okay, so it's worth publishing the ebooks, and you can also publish your course, something a blog post or that kind of thing to sell in this platform. Okay, so now once you sign up for absolutely free in this platform, then what you can do is just click on this product and then click on this new product, and then select whatever the thing. If you want to sell other thing, you can sell it at here. Okay, like podcast, digital product, course and tutorial. You can just, for now, let's select this ebook. Okay, and you need to give the title for this ebook. So so the title for our ebook would be, so let's go to, okay, so let's make money online. Let's make money from home. So let's make money from home. Okay, you can give this kind of title. Let's copy it for now and select ebook. Okay, and then price your ebook. So make sure to charge less. Okay, like $5, $3, $7, $10, whatever price you want to charge, just charge that much for this ebook, so that people would purchase that ebook without having any doubt. Like $5, $7 is not a big deal for anyone. Okay, and they will purchase it and they will go through that ebook. And yes, of course, if you read that ebook and understand yourself whatever information they are providing, if it is valuable or not, that's your thing. Okay, you can do that due diligence, so that the people who purchase that book may benefit from that book. Okay, that's your job. Okay, and once you do this much, then just click on next, customize. And then now you can see there's the title here. Okay, so now for description, what you can do is you can read this and type something in this description. Okay, that is relatable to this book. This is description. So let me just type this much: description for ebook, let's make money online from home. Okay, you can see here are the preview. In this way it will look. Okay, and this will be like you can type anything like 1 to 3 or maybe whatever you want to write. Okay, this will be the link for your ebook. Okay, and then in cover, okay, now in cover what you can do is, see, you can either use the cover that is already provided to you from this ebook. Okay, or what you can do is you can just search for a tutorial on how to make ebook cover on Canva. Okay, so that you can, if you learn that if you learn to build ebook cover in that way from Canva, okay, you can do that for, you can build ebook cover for lots of other ebook also. Okay, so but for now I'm going to show you by uploading this cover. Okay, also you can search in Google if there is available some royalty free ebook cover and use that. Okay, but it is always better to use canva.com and learn from a tutorial on YouTube how to make a cover for ebook cover. Okay, and it is extremely simple to use Canva. Okay, so for now let's upload this cover from here. So, and you can see there is size given. Okay, make sure when you make ebook cover, this kind of size are maintained. Like in case of here, look at here, 600 into 600 px. Simply search on Google about this 600 into 600 px image, or what you can do is you can even design a special thumbnail in Canva by watching another video tutorial related to building this kind of thumbnail in Canva. Okay, it is extremely simple, you can do it. Okay, and upload at here. Okay, so for now I don't have this kind of 600 and 600 px, so that I'm not going to show you by uploading here, but you can do it easily. Okay, so now in call to action, you can either use I want this, buy this, or pay this. It is best to use I want this. Okay, and in summary, what is this ebook about? Okay, you need to put those things. Okay, and for that again you can read this description, and or you can go through the ebook. Okay, you can read all the ebook by yourself and write the summary. Okay, and if you want to add additional details, call out important features of your product that help your customer decide to buy. Okay, so what this book is going to make you capable of, those things you can write by clicking on add details. Okay, so now this is integration. Invite your customer to Circle community, invite your customer to Discord server. Okay, you can do this kind of additional thing. Okay, and if you want to change the price at here, you can do it at here. Okay, allow customer to pay what they want. Okay, this is another functionality that you can turn on. Okay, whatever person want to pay, they can pay. Okay, but for now you can off this, but later after once you become a little bit expert in Gumroad, then you can use this kind of features. Okay, so ignore this for now, and here you can see limit product sales. You can turn on these. Okay, turn on this, and if you, according to your necessity, and once everything happens, then click on publish. But before publishing, if you want to do a preview, just click on this preview, and then you'll see your book looks like this. Okay, so for now we don't have any thumbnail, so it is not showing ad here, but this kind of interface the buyers will see. Okay, somewhat this kind of interface. So it is also best to design your own ebook cover according to the size they are recommending, so that it looks a bit more nice. Okay, you can do that thing and then click on publish. So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video added some value to your life and you learned something new. And if it added some new value to your life, then please do like this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to earn more by using affiliate marketing, okay, by doing affiliate marketing, then I have given a special link in the description of this video, that's in the top of this video. Okay, how you can make full-time passive income. You can click on that and see if it is good fit for you. And furthermore, if you want to learn more ways to make money online, then I have also given some of the link to make money tutorials of my handpicked tutorials in YouTube. Okay, you can check out those tutorials also. So okay guys, altogether I wanted to show you this much in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.